Protect your cash flow. Anak, alam mo bang running a business is like raising a child? You need to be firm with discipline, di ba? Especially pagdating sa collections. Napakahirap mag-follow up ng paulit-ulit. Pero remember this, your business is not a charity. It's your family's future. Hindi naman kasi dapat nahihiya tayo to enforce our payment terms. When I started my business, super guilty ako whenever I had to follow up on payments. Feeling ko, ang kulit-kulit ko na. But you know what changed my mindset? One time, na-late akong magsweldo sa employees ko because hindi ako nakasingil sa customers. Grabe ang guilt ko. That's when I realized being too lenient with collections is not just affecting me. It's affecting my whole team's families as well. Kaya we need a strong collection system. Siguraduhin malinaw ang payment terms before you agree on anything. Always request for a deposit para masigurado ang commitment, lalo na kung malaki ang halaga or ang project. Mag-offer ng incentives para sa mga early payments tulad ng mga small discounts kapag advance kung magbayad. Most importantly, learn to say no to those who always pay late. I know it's hard, lalo na kung sugi na natin. So remember, protecting your cash flow is protecting your business family. Yan ang being business-minded Pinoy.